Alrighty, Cory, here's your 427 small block Ford gear description. It's combination. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Got the Pro-Am manifold, fuel management Holley Terminator X, custom grind hydraulic roller, front sump oil pan, March annex system on it. Make sure the alternator function. Go in there and make a run. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3300, it is 510 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 535, peak horsepower 536. We rated it at 520. It's got a front end on it, so it really runs good. That's the new cylinder head and the EFI. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things here. You receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. In your packet will be this engine spec sheet. It will have a lot of information on there. I highly recommend looking over that. Have a great day.